Hi everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you a simple way to scan documents using the Notes app on your iPhone 14 series. No extra apps needed. In a previous video, I demonstrated scanning documents via iCloud's Files app. Now, let's explore another handy method. First, let's go to the Notes app on your iPhone. Open it up and start a new note. Look for the camera icon in the bottom menu bar. Tap on the camera icon and then select Scan Documents. Place your document within the camera's view. You can choose between auto or manual capture. I'll go with auto for now. Position your document correctly. The app automatically captures it. Let's scan another one for demonstration. They're done. Next, select a scanned photo to edit. You can crop manually or adjust the color. Choose from color, grayscale, black and white, or photo mode. You can also rotate or delete an image. Once you're happy with the scan, it adds to your note. You can save this document in your iCloud or on your phone. And you can share this note with anyone easily. And that's it, a quick and high-quality way to scan documents, all for free, using your iPhone 14. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share Everything channel for more tips. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll respond to all. Thanks for watching.